Open your eyes and try to relax. Here, everything is in suspense. Stories, encounters, discussions, projects. A town in suspense, full of workmen suspended from scaffolding and crates suspended from cranes. Try to smell the bitter scent of the earthquake and the scent of cement and mould, timber and iron. The workmen know it well. The workmen that fill the streets and the alleys during their lunch break out of the cold and damp buildings to warm themselves in the sun. It's difficult to judge their age. First, because their skin is dark and ruined by the sun. And then because they all have hair whitened by the dust.
Stiamo ricostruendo l'Aquila.
Some tourists and some inhabitants, yes, come to look. Every now and then someone breaks through the barriers and decides to enter where everything is suspended. Except life. Try to touch this decadence, this absence, which essentially is beauty, is essence. Here you won't smell the scent of meat being roasted, the scent of washing powder from clothes hanging out to dry, the sound of the news on TV coming from a neighbour's apartment, the voices of women discussing. Here you still cannot see a father collecting his son from school and talking about how the day has gone. You still can't see shopkeepers that talk to each other across the street. In the evening, you still can't see the yellow lights from the windows. You get used to the aesthetics of destruction and pain. Here, luckily, it's all to be remade.